Natural resources. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the various natural resources like the land, water, air. So these natural resources, how they are affecting the life of different organisms that are living on this planet. We know that Earth is the only planet. So far we know Earth is the only planet. Earth is the only planet in the whole solar system. This is the only planet which is having life on it. Right? So no other planet. There are no traces of life on the other planets. The reason is because the Earth has got the natural resources. Like air, and even in the air contains the elements which are necessary for the life, the elements which are necessary for the existence and survival of life, like oxygen in the air. So good atmosphere is available on the earth. Good atmosphere in the sense the atmosphere that facilitates the life. Such an atmosphere, that is air, availability of water, availability of the soil and optimum temperature. So air, water, optimum temperature. That means the temperature which is not very too low, not very too cold, not very too high, which is proper for the growth of organisms. So such kind of conditions, temperature, optimum temperature, and energy from sun in the form of solar energy. So all these are the various conditions which facilitate the existence and continuity of life on this planet Earth. So there is no other planet which contains life, because the conditions are different. If you take any other planet like Mars, so why the life is not possible on Mars? Though so many researches are going on, so many rovers and probes we are sending to Mars to find out the conditions there. We find the temperatures are very high. The temperatures vary, not supporting the life. Even the atmosphere contains large amounts of carbon dioxide. So not as like the atmosphere on the planet Earth. So Earth has got all the things in a proper way which facilitate the existence of life on this planet. So here on the Earth, we find the land. The land part of the Earth is called as lithosphere, and water, 75% of the Earth is covered by water. It is called as hydrosphere. And air, the Earth is surrounded by air, a blanket of air, atmosphere, that is called as atmosphere. So lithosphere, the land, hydrosphere, that is the water, and atmosphere, that is the air. So these are the physical things by which the Earth is made of. And on the Earth, we see the organisms, life, living things. Living things. You call it as biosphere. So biosphere means all the living organisms that are existing on this planet considered as a biosphere. Now these are all different, but they are all interrelated, affecting each other. So here if you see each component, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere, there are some interactions among them. They are affecting each other. So let us see how they are affecting each other. Naturally they affect each other, but here this biosphere, in this biosphere, a part of the biosphere like humans, with our activities also, we are causing a kind of disturbance in these natural interactions, in these the natural setups. We are interfering and making some kind of disturbances in that. That also we will discuss in this particular chapter. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up.
Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.